This is your video on how to copy an angle. So, first, we need some kind of angle. Well, all right, an angle is just somewhere where two lines or rays cross, so let's just make an angle right here. Seems fine. Now, these arrow tips just mean that these rays go on forever. Let's give this corner vertex, this point here, a name. Let's call that V for vertex. Now, you can call it whatever you want. You can call it Q or Z or George or whatever. I think a letter is kind of nice. Then to copy this, we're going to come down here and say, well, I'm probably going to copy it down here where it's still on the screen. So we'll need some kind of array here, and we'll need a dot here, a point here that we'll call V prime, the new vertex. Cool. But we don't have a lot of points here. We just have the one point. So it would be useful if we had some more points on our diagram. So what if I put my stylus at V and I make an arc through here, and I put my stylus at V prime and put an arc through here. So just make sure they're the same. Same. So let's call this A and this B. These are our new points that we just created. So I think that means this must be A prime. Hey, we're almost home. Now, B prime is going to live on this same arc, just like B lives on that arc. So B prime is somewhere over here, but we don't want to guess. There's always people who think that we'll just guess, but that's not what we're doing. Next, we're going to take our compass, and we are going to set it so that it passes right through B if we start at A. So A to B. Looks like mine's a little long there. Let's bring that in a smidge. That's a little better. Oh, there we go. Try to get that as accurate as we can. So from A to B. Then come down here and do the exact same mark here. So that tells us that this guy here will be B prime. Then we can connect V prime to B prime, and we see that we have copied our angle. So I think what we're saying is that this angle is the same as that angle. So let's try writing that. To write that, this guy here is angle BVA. So outside, inside, outside. Or you could call it AVB, right? BVA and AVB are the same. What you can't say is VAB. That's a different angle. So the angle BVA, that's this yellow angle here, is congruent to angle, and we should do them in the same order, B prime, V prime, A prime. There we go.